the 2014 Chevrolet Camaro LT. Powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features a sunroof, multi-disc CD player, and locking rear differential. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include Bluetooth wireless, navigation system, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.